Hi everyone, I wanted to share a cool web extension that you can add to your Chrome browser from the Chrome Webstore in the event that you are experiencing eye strain or increased headaches due to excessive computer use. So all I've done is gone to the Chrome Webstore website, and you can search for blue light filter or even directly search for Night Shift Redux. You can find it and identify it by looking for this purple magenta moon shape, and over here you'll have a button to add to Chrome. Mine is already added, so now I'm just left with a button to remove it, which you can use should you ever change your mind and no longer want to have it. Once it's installed, it will show up in your tray up here in your browser window. If you don't see it mixed in with your other extensions, click on this puzzle piece icon to personalize which of your extensions are showing in your tray and which ones are not. So here is that moon, that little icon, and if I click on it, you can see all of the different options. So Night Shift is just going to, you can turn it on or off directly through here. Night mode will allow you to replace a lot of the large white spaces with darker black backgrounds, just so that the light intensity isn't too much when you're working in darker or low light situations. You can create a customized schedule for when these filters are applied, and you can then pick all of the different colors based off of what's most comfortable to you. And if you don't like any of these colors, you can click on more colors to select a customizable color of your choice. So it won't actually work in the Chrome Web Store window by default, but any of your other websites, if you click into them, you'll be able to see how this works. So here is the Weather Channel's website. You can see a lot of bright white spaces, lots of kind of blue tones that are being emitted. And by turning on the night shift mode, this is going to shift the lighting like using a filter to warmer tones that are going to be a little bit easier on the eyes. So watch how the screen changes when I turn on night shift. Initially, sometimes it looks a little dingy or yellowy, but you get used to it the more you use it, and you may find that it's a lot easier on your eyes the longer you're working at the computer. If I was working in low light conditions or at night in the dark, you can switch on dark mode and you can see a lot of the brighter background spaces are replaced with black, again, just to reduce eye strain. The other thing you can adjust is the opacity. So right now I have kind of this golden yellow filter on, but if it still feels a little too bright, a little too blue for me, I can switch it up a little bit just to kind of turn up that intensity of the color. Or again, if it's just too much, you can slide it back down. But I tend to enjoy kind of this middle range. So Night Shift is a great quick extension to add that may help solve a problem that you're experiencing. If there are any other extensions that you're really enjoying that you find helpful, I would love to hear about them.